Hi everyone, my name is Lila Hoachlander-Hobby, and I am a fifth-year PhD student in Bill Bement's lab at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. And I'm studying cell and molecular biology with a specific focus on how individual cells repair themselves. So just like you can get a tissue wound, like a scrape or scratch that heals over time, individual cells can also get damaged and require repair. And when a cell is damaged, there is a large influx of calcium into the cell, which triggers intracellular vesicles to fuse with each other, as well as the damaged plasma membrane to kind of patch the wound, almost like a scab with a tissue wound. And this also triggers activation of enzymes called Rho GTPases, which remodel the cortical cytoskeleton. And so in my lab, we use frog eggs as a model for single cell repair. So I am able to wound the frog eggs with a laser, very high powered laser, and then use confocal time-lapse microscopy to visualize the repair process over time. And I really got into cell biology actually when I was in seventh grade, so a while ago, where my teacher first showed us kind of the classic model of a cell. And I really liked just kind of building on that model and learning more and more about different organelles and the cytoskeleton over time. And I think that probably the biggest contribution that ASCB has for me is just kind of the network of other scientists that I'm able to meet while I'm at conferences. And it's just wonderful to be able to connect with so many people and learn about such a variety of research topics in science.